成长回顾，与感受一起成长。
Growth reflection, growing with feelings.
这是我学到的。
This is what I have learned.
我在改变，我在成长，我还是我。
I can change. I can grow. I'm still me.
当感受很强烈时，我知道可以怎么做。
I know what to do when feelings are big.
我可以让自己冷静，我也可以求助。
I can calm myself. I can ask for help.
我可以原谅，我也可以保护自己。
I can forgive. I can protect myself.
我会做出让自己感到安全的选择。
I make choices that feel safe.
我在改变，我在成长，我还是我。
I change. I grow. And I'm still me.
我认识自己。
I know myself.